152 pounds. Justin Miller, Liberty. Trent Smith, Bristow. Matt Thor, 152 pounds.
Come on, Kobe. Come on, Kobe. Get him out of there. Cross face, cross face, cross face.
And Goins.
You doing good. Keep it up. Work hard.
Let's go, Kobe. You're doing good.
We're until tomorrow.
What?
We're until tomorrow, he said.
We're until tomorrow.
Me, the rest of 132 is at 132.
I can just give me a second. I can research soon. There you go. Take that arm. Take that arm. Break it down.